Asset and maintenance management can be a nightmare. Handwritten lists and Excel spreadsheets can cause constant frustration, not to mention the countless working hours spent on finding the right assets and information. Trackinno makes asset and maintenance management easy. Whether it's finding the right equipment and documents, reporting maintenance tasks on-site, or performing inventory, our services help you keep all the important information up to date and readily available. You can use Trackinno on both your mobile and desktop devices. The easy-to-use mobile app allows you to quickly run checks and update the asset register on-site. The desktop app allows you to see a clear overview of all of your company's assets and to manage your system settings. An important part of our services are the tags, which can be scanned with the mobile app. Using these tags, you can identify individual assets and service items. This makes maintaining information both easy and efficient. The Trackinno service also allows you to locate your equipment in real time, both indoors and outdoors. All you need to do is place one of our trackers on a desired piece of equipment. Would you like to hear more about how we can help you improve your company's asset management? Find out more on Trackinno's website and book a demo today.